Welcome back to a new video. I've actually been putting this video off. It's currently 9 p.m. She's about to get snatched and go to bed. So step one is to wet your hair, basically get that curly texture. Is that length that I see? I'm gonna be using Mielle's White Peony leave-in conditioner, and this is really helpful. So you see this curly texture coming through? Yes. That's exactly what I want. So I'm gonna keep adding this leave-in all through my hair until all of this top layer that's basically gonna be exposed until it all looks like this. I'm also going for a center part here, so let's get her situated. I personally want my ponytail to sit like right here. So I'm just gonna brush my hair to that exact spot. This is key also. Normally when I do ponytails, I'm brushing back. I want my hair to look full, my edges to look full. So I'm brushing my hair actually down and then bringing it back like that. And I'm really not going to make a tight ponytail. I want there to be some space, some wiggle room. I don't like the tight ponies. I gotta leave that. I left that in 2020. My head can't handle it. Okay, step 2 was getting the ponytail in the preferred spot. Check. Step 3 is prepping this ponytail for this hair. Once it's all combed out, I'm going to then braid this. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I try new things when I already have a game plan. Living life on the edge, you know? Really just using this Rattail comb to give me like a wave effect, and that's just moving the comb back and forth. Great. Now that this ponytail is complete, I am going to be using Zury's Water Wave Braid in the color 2. I love this hair. The texture, the bounce, and this is a 20-inch. I love that if I tease it with like a wide tooth comb, or I just like mess with it like I would my natural hair, it will grow in volume, and I love that because I like big hair. Each package actually has 3 bundles of hair, so I just grabbed one more and I'm gonna be using 4 bundles. Out of those 4 bundles that I'm gonna be working with, I'm gonna grab 1 bundle. I wanna crochet those individual pieces through the braid. Once I have it prepped like this, I'm gonna take that crochet tool, going from the bottom, I'm gonna go through the braid. Grab that hair. Got it. So you see, I just pulled half of that hair through. I just did one piece going this way. Now I'm gonna do these 2 pieces going that way just so that it covers the remaining part of this braid. Sometimes I like to brush the hair out a little bit to get more volume out of it. I feel like this also helps better hide my ponytail. I'm gonna take a bobby pin through the very end of my braid with this braiding hair on top. So it's basically gonna be like that. Now the little tail can't stick out. Now that this step is over, I'm about to prep the actual ponytail, and from there it's like boom, 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 and we're done. So I've shown this in my styles with braiding hair video, how I create ponytails. Basically, I find that middle point. I grab my hair tie, opening my hands up like this. I want to place it directly over the hair. Grabbing this side of the hair tie and also grabbing this side. And then from this spot, I'm just gonna open up one of the hair ties, grab the other side and pull it through. I'm gonna grab the hair tie and holding the ponytail over my head like this, I'm gonna pull this hair through. You might have to actually bend over. I find that easier for me. Once I get that full piece of my hair through, I loop that hair tie just to secure the hair tie over my actual ponytail. And now you can fully see this hair tie, but what I'm gonna do is grab that ponytail and place it directly over the hair ties so that it falls on top. Grab a little piece of hair from this side, looks like about 3 pieces, and then I'm gonna grab 3 pieces from the other side. I'm actually going to have those 2 pieces meet underneath the ponytail, and then I'm just gonna tie it. I'm gonna use this piece to be what covers the hair tie at top. And no bobby pins are needed to keep it in place. You just keep pulling and wrapping it around the hair tie until you're out of hair. You can keep yanking it and you'll actually feel it go deeper and deeper into the hair tie. That's how you know it's secured. Now I have this natural wave texture in my hair. My hair started to poof up in the front, so just to add a little more hold, I added some Eco Styler along the front, setting that wave style in place also. So this is step 7, and it's basically customizing the ponytail. Personally, I'm gonna trim some off the bottom, definitely fluff this ponytail out, and then I'm also gonna add some layers in. Alrighty, she's done. I love this ponytail. Like, you can't tell, right? It's like, huh? Oh, what? Oh, okay. Wait, what? Oh. That's also the pro of doing the braid within, because it allows this free range of motion. I guess that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy this hairstyle, because this is really the finesse. I told y'all, I come with the finesse. Whether it's makeup or hair, I really finesse the game and it just works. Let me know in the comments, is this something you try out? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.